nose area and how the air feels entering and exiting your nostrils. Notice how the air feels to you. Is it cool or warm? When you breathe more deeply, you can feel the air flows quickly. And when you breathe more calmly, the air slows down. Now switch your focus to your neck and your throat. Let your breath go at its own pace and observe the sensations of the air entering and exiting your throat, down into the lungs. Does the air feel warm or cold? Keep breathing and observing the sensations of the air passing through your body as far as it goes. Thoughts may distract you, and that's okay. Gently bring yourself back to the breath. Good. Now, whenever you're ready, just relax and let your mind wander wherever it wants. You have finished your meditation. Very well done. Just one more thing. Notice how you feel right now, entirely. Observe what your mind is like and feel how your body feels. Now compare this to before you started your meditation. You are experiencing the benefits of meditation right now. Namaste.